In front of me is Nubia Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display section right away. Now tap on Font and operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!